Alright guys, welcome back to Wednesday, October 15th trade recap. So today we took a loss, which really sucks as you guys can see. It was a great setup actually. I mean, look, so let's just go ahead and replay this. God, I hate that new feature. Okay, so we come down right here. So I was really bullish on the day. Let's take a step back. So don't mind this candle. So this right here was my drawn liquidity for the day, these previous day highs, because we had this 4-hour gap resting below us. We were basically just having a lot of really bullish displacement. If we zoom into the 1 hour, we can see 1 hour gaps kind of getting respected here. But yeah, so that was basically, well, no, this right here was the market open. So let's just go back to market open. So as you guys can see, we're delivering from this 1 hour bullish gap. We had taken out this high. So, why would I not be bullish whenever this is literally order flow? I mean, we're so bullish and the trend is your friend, right? So we go down to the 30-minute. We're pretty well respecting 30-minute, creating 30-minute, blah, 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 all that good stuff. Okay. So, come over here, mark out all of our draws. We got this 1 hour gap, 1 hour gap, all that good stuff. So let's get into market open. So as we're kind of going, okay, so we're almost at market open. So we can go ahead and drop down to the 1 minute. So we're just kind of consolidating here, which is kind of, what you can expect. We did create a bearish SMT right here, London, for a London session, which was very interesting. So we created a bearish SMT there. So I wanted to see a move down to complete that SMT before I could look to go long. So as you guys can see, we get a nice dump off of market open, and so now we have this right here's our 1 hour gap. So we take out this sell side liquidity, which means that this SMT has been completed. And yeah, so what we can do is we can look for any kind of, on the manipulation leg into this 1 hour gap, what kind of fair value gaps do we see that we can inverse? We can inverse this 1 minute. Well, what's the highest time frame for value gap? All right, yep, it's the 1 minute. So let's see, do we inverse this? Yes, we do. But there was no change in state, which does not make it a valid entry for me. So second manipulation into it. What do we see? Do we see a fair value gap? Yes, we do. And we have a change in state. This was like an A+ setup. So we can long off this, and we just got wrecked. I don't even know. Honestly, that was just an A+ setup. The market just kind of destroyed me there. But I took off. I immediately quit trading right then and there because one trade a day and I'm done, because I have a problem, or I used to have a problem with over trading, but now I don't. So as you guys can see, we end up having another inversion right here with really nice displacement up here, all the way up here, which I honestly would have taken a trade on this. But anyways, I was targeting previous day highs right here. So this would have been my second trade setup, and yeah, so it just sucks that we missed out on that move today. Freaking thing, like 200-point move today in the direction that I wanted it to go, which really sucks. But you win some, you lose some. I was on a 5-day winning streak, so I guess I was due for a loss. But today was also the first day of my funds, which really sucks. So yeah. first day with the Express accounts got cooked. But yeah, you know, we're going to go back at it tomorrow. You know, just can only hope for a good day. And yeah, that was today's trade recap. Thank you guys for watching.